Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever experienced an interruption while launching your favorite game on GeForce Now, only to be greeted by a cryptic error code 0xC27A0002? You're not alone. This common issue, which reads, "There was a problem starting your session, try again," can be quite the buzzkill. First, it's important to understand that this error primarily arises due to issues within the GeForce Now system or the game itself. It's notably prevalent with Ubisoft games like Skull and Bones, Ghost Recon, Breakpoint, and Rainbow Six Siege, but it can occasionally occur with games from other publishers as well. Now let's dive into how to resolve this error. A quick fix that has worked for many users is simply closing the error message and immediately relaunching the game. It's as straightforward as that. If the problem persists, it's time to check the GeForce Now server status. Visit status.geforcenow.com and see if there are any ongoing issues being reported. Still no luck? It's time to check for updates. Your GeForce Now might have pending updates that need to be installed. Make sure your software is up to date, and then try launching the game again. If the error is still popping up, it may be time to take a break. Wait a few hours before trying to play the game again. If the issue remains unresolved after waiting, then it's time to reach out to the GeForce Now support team. To contact support, visit nvidia.com/n-us/support/consumer. Scroll down and choose the option to ask us a question to create a support ticket or opt for live chat to speak directly with a support agent. In summary, the GeForce Now error code 0xC27A0002 can be addressed by relaunching the game, checking the GeForce Now server status, updating your software, or reaching out to support. With these tips in mind, you'll be back to gaming in no time. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit Quaries.com.